Let's see analysis for the next week of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So after Nifty and Bank Nifty made high on 3rd August, so it has given a pullback for straight 2 weeks, and both Nifty Bank Nifty are almost trading in the same zones, uh, like 12th August low, and again 13 August low, and again 14 August low, almost came from the similar zone for both the indexes. So first let's see what Nifty is unfolding for the next week, and then we will look into the Bank Nifty analysis as well for the next week. So if we see here on the chart, so Nifty made high here on 3rd August. On 3rd August, it has made a high. From here, we got the straight pullback for last 2 weeks. Nifty is in this zone only. After this high, we got the pullback for last 2 weeks, and we are just staying here in this zone. And we made a low of 24,000, almost 265 low. I expected that Nifty will come and fill this gap in the last week, but that not happened. Nifty has taken support here itself. So now for us, there are two levels in Nifty. So which are the make or break levels? One is this zone from almost 24,320 to 24,270 zone. So I would draw here. So we have two zones here in Nifty which we need to keep focus on Nifty for us to see whether change in structure happens or not. So the one zone is from here to here, so which is almost from 24,260 to 24,310 zone. So this zone you can just mark it on your charts. So this will be a trend decider for Nifty in the upcoming week. One is 24,260 to 24,310. In case if Nifty trades below this zone, so the structure will open for the next level. Okay, the next level can be this one. So Nifty again come and might test this zone here, which is 24,950 to 24,50. So below 24,260, the structure will open and we will go for the next level, which is 23,980 to 24,050. So this is the level we might see. In case if price trades below this, the structure will break and we are going to see this level. This level might get opened in Nifty only below this zone. But in case in next week, if we start trading below 24K, then there will be wide gates opened in Nifty. Again, we might come back and test this zone as well. We might come back and test this zone, which is 23,000 to 23,320 zone. So you can mark this zone also on chart 23,0502, 23,320. So below this, we might slowly come and see the structure will open the next level, which is 2350 to 23,320 zone. So now for the upside in Nifty, again here we have clear structure from 24,580 to almost 24,690. This is a key level 24,580 to 24,690. This is a key level in Nifty for the upside. So above this, the upside levels will open in Nifty. So we might come and fill this gap above this. The structure will open and we will be seeing this gap is getting filled in Nifty. So the next level for Nifty is 24,980 to 25,133. So this is the next level that will open in Nifty if we start trading above 25,580 to 24,690 zone. Above this zone, we are going to see 24,980 to 25,133 zone. So till we are in between 24,260 range to 24,690 range. This is 400 points range almost. Within this range, you will just see the volatility. During the day, you will see selling. Again, towards the end of the day, you will see buying. Or else during the day, you will be seeing buying, and by end of the day, you will be seeing selling. So buyers and sellers will fight here in this zone and decay will happen. Okay, so we have to trade carefully in this zone. Out of this zone, the structure will open the next levels. Within this zone, the market is range bound and it is sideways. So accordingly, we have to plan our trades in this zone. Out of these zones, you know now levels how you can plan your trades. The structure will open 24,980 to 25,133 zone only if we trade above 24,690 zone. Again, downside, if we trade below 24,260 zone, we will see 24,52. Structure will open the next levels 24,52, 23,980 zone. Again, below this, the structure will open the next set of levels. Again, this is very big. So this will not come in just 2-3 days, something like that. It will take at least 1 week to 2 weeks for us to get these levels in case if we trade below 23,980 level. Okay, so this is my view on Nifty for the next week. Just keep it simple. In the zone, play as per the zone. At support, you know what you have to do. At resistance, you know what you have to do. But when support breaks, you know what are your next levels. When this support breaks, you know what are your next levels. Same way, when this resistance breaks, you know what are the next levels. Let market test these levels and then we will decide what can be the next levels above this. So I will just give you the next levels as well. So the next levels here, it will open to this level 24,582, 24,760 zone. 24,582, 24,760 zone, above 25,133. The structure will open for the next set of levels in Nifty. So this is my view for Nifty in the next week as per the levels. But if we see different things on the chart, I'm seeing very different things on the chart here as well. So Nifty was continuously taking support on this channel. So if I draw this channel here, Nifty was continuously taking support here, this channel. And from top, I see Nifty is taking resistance on this channel. Nifty is taking resistance on this channel. So now we are within this channel. So here, as we discussed, this is the zone we have here. We just discussed, which is 24,950, 982, 23,982, 24,50 zone. If Nifty comes here, you have this support zone and also you have this channel. But above, again, we have the resistance here. So this is the resistance we plotted in Nifty. So here we have the channel resistance and here we have the zone resistance. So if I extend this far back, earlier this was a support here. Earlier this was a support, from here Nifty bounced and this support got broken and it became resistance. Now again, almost for the fourth time we are taking resistance here. If fifth time Nifty comes and trades above the zone which we just discussed, 24,552, 24,680, 90 zone, above this if we start trading, we are going to break this channel resistance and we are going to break this structure level resistance. So horizontal resistance and vertical resistance both will be broken, channel and horizontal resistance. So this is one of the structure I am seeing in Nifty. Again, if this breaks below this zone, below 24k level, it is going to break this channel and also it is going to break this support zone. So the support will come very deep here. It will definitely break this swing and it will try to come and take support near the next swing, which is this zone we discussed already. So this is the next set of zone. Below this is the zone we are going to see. So this is my current view in Nifty for the next week. Let's wait for the levels. Let Nifty trade above this zone or below this zone for the next set of targets to be opened. And let's move on to the Bank Nifty. So on Bank Nifty also, you see there are similar channels formed on Bank Nifty as well, like Nifty. But Bank Nifty, if you see, the price is squeezed too much. The price is squeezed too much in Bank Nifty. We are almost taking support here on this channel. If I see here, we are taking support on this channel since so long. Let me draw this channel perfectly. Yeah. So we are taking support here one time, two time, three time. Okay. Similarly, resistance also almost three times resistance. Once here, second time here, third time here, fourth time here, almost here multiple times it is testing this resistance. So now Bank Nifty has two options. So this is one demand area we have in Bank Nifty. So which this is a demand area which comes from 56 750 to 57 100. So let me mark that here. 56 750 to 57 100. So this is the support zone for Bank Nifty for the downside. If it breaks this zone, it will also break this channel. Then you will see the downside targets here in Bank Nifty. So this is one area I see as a demand zone. And next area here I see this as the demand zone in Bank Nifty. So below this we are going to see very big levels that will open Bank Nifty. If it breaks below this structure, the next levels I see is 55,060 to 55,500. So 55,100 let us make to 55,500. So below this the next levels I am seeing 53,000 to 53,500. So let me mark these levels here so that you can mark this on your charts as well. 53,000 to 53,500. So these are the key levels in the Bank Nifty for the downside. For upside, if I see, I can draw this as my supply zone in Bank Nifty, which is 58,500 to 59,000. 58,500 to 59,000 is the supply zone in Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, if it has to give a good move or else the structure should open the next levels, Bank Nifty should start trading above 59,000. Then we are going to see the next set of levels in the Bank Nifty. This is overall view. What is the next set of levels that I see here? So this is the next supply zone we have in Bank Nifty, which is 60,700 to 61,300. So the levels that will open is 60,700 to 61,300. So this is the zone that will open Bank Nifty above 59,000. But short term, if we have to look for the levels in the short term for Bank Nifty, the short term resistance here is this level. Above 58,000, if it trades, we will be seeing 58,500 to 59,000. So here we have a resistance from 57,800 to 58,000. This is a 200 points resistance. 57,800 to 58,000. So above this, we are going to see the short-term structure levels are 58,500 to 59,000. Above this, we are going to see 60,700 to 61,300. But downside, we know the levels 56,750 to 57,100 are the crucial levels in Bank Nifty. So apart from this, we can see this low as well as a crucial levels. If I has to draw, we can consider even this levels as well, which is 57,150 to 57,350. So here we can draw 57,150 to 57,350. These are the again crucial levels, make or break levels for Bank Nifty. Below this, we are going to see downside numbers are this, and below this 55,100, 55,500 zone, we are going to see 53,000 to 53,500 zone. So this is my view in Bank Nifty for the next week. So hope this analysis is helping you. So we are not just decoding the levels, we are just finding the structure. So which side market can move based on the levels, based on the zones, based on the support and resistance. So everybody can draw these channels in Bank Nifty so that you will understand which side price is going to trade based on the levels. So just focus on the levels, just mark these levels on your charts. Whichever side price is trading above this, above or below these levels, you know the next set of levels how you can trade. Thanks everyone for watching this video. So we'll meet again in the next video, same time, same kind of analysis. Thank you.